everyone, this is Arthur again. Today we're gonna take a look at this beautiful 2006 BMW M5. It is Indianapolis red with a burgundy full leather interior with extended leather package. It has 106,000 miles, I believe, and it is in very nice shape. Those are beautiful. There's nice Hankook tires on it. Looks like it has a different steering wheel on it, rewrapped differently. It has a aftermarket screen. 106,000 miles. Full leather, comes with a leather dash, leather door panels, suede headliner, and this beautiful M5 seats. No wood trim in this one, which I think it looks really nice with the red seats and red exterior. I like it a lot. This guy came here to get brake flash, also spark plugs replaced, and also got few ignition coils replaced. Paint is in really nice shape, and overall it looks really nice. I really like these cars. They do have their own issues, but as far as unique BMWs go, this probably is one of the most unique ones because of the engine, transmission, and how game-changing it was when it came out in 2005, 2006. Gonna take a look at under the hood, then raise it up and take a look at the bottom. Here's a look under the hood. The famous S85 V10 engine produces 507 horsepower, 8,250 RPM redline. I replaced the spark plugs. They didn't look too bad. One of the ignition coils was bad, it was misfiring, and most of the other ignition coils weren't looking too good, and few of them broke as a result when they were getting removed. So just replace those. Most likely replace all of them in the future, but it does run nice and smooth now and makes a lot of power. Okay, let's take a look at the bottom of this 2006 E60 M5. Let's go start from the back. See the quad exhaust. This one has a lot of the exhaust removed, replaced with straight pipe. It is very loud. I did drive it, and at any RPM really it is pretty loud. It does sound really good, but it is very loud, especially when you step on it. Oh man, really makes that V10 come alive. The covers are still on the bottom. I didn't have to do anything from the bottom really, but overall looks very clean. Most of these cars, these panels are very deteriorated and kind of coming apart. A lot of BMWs from around this time. This one is looking really good. I did do a brake bleed and brake flush, and they went really well. The car drives really good actually, overall. Please comment, like, and subscribe. There's more videos to come.